Hello everyone, you are welcome to this Yoruba class. Say this after me. Níbo, níbo, kíni, kíni, tani, tani. Níbo simply means where. Kíni simply means what. Tani simply means who. My name is Yetunde Adebayo. You are welcome to this Yoruba class. Níbo means where. Now let's use it in sentences. Níbo ni ò ń lọ? Níbo ni ò ń lọ? Níbo ni ò ń lọ means where are you going? Níbo ni o ti wá? Níbo ni o ti wá means where are you from? Níbo ni o ti wá? Níbo ni o ti ń bọ̀? Níbo ni o ti ń bọ̀? Try as much as possible for you to repeat these sentences after me. That's how to learn. Níbo ni o ti ń bọ̀? Níbo ni o ti ń bọ̀ means where are you coming from? Another sentence is níbo ni o wà? Níbo ni o wà simply means where are you? Níbo ni aṣọ mi wà? Níbo ni aṣọ mi wà? Meaning, where is my clothes? Níbo ni aṣọ mi wà? Níbo ni ilé ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ? Níbo ni ilé ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ? Meaning, where is your school? Níbo ni ilé ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ? Another sentence is, níbo ni ò ń gbé? Níbo ni ò ń gbé? Meaning, where are you living? Níbo ni ò ń gbé? Another sentence using níbo. Níbo ni ilé rẹ? Níbo ni ilé rẹ? Meaning, where is your house? Níbo ni ilé rẹ? Now, let's use another word, which is kíni. Kíni. Kíni simply means what. Now, let's use it in sentence. Kíni o fẹ́? Kíni o fẹ́? Meaning, what do you want? Kíni o fẹ́? Try as much as possible for you to repeat the sentence after me. Kíni o fẹ́ jẹ? That's another sentence. Kíni o fẹ́ jẹ? Meaning, what do you want to eat? Kíni o fẹ́ jẹ? Kíni o fẹ́ jẹ? What do you want to eat? Another sentence using kíni. Kíni ò ń wá? Kíni ò ń wá? Meaning, what are you looking for? Kíni ò ń wá? What are you looking for? Another sentence using kíni. Kíni o fẹ́ gbà? Kíni o fẹ́ gbà? Meaning, what do you want to collect? Or what do you want to take? Kíni o fẹ́ gbà? What do you want to take? Kíni kí n fún ẹ? That's another sentence using kíni. Kíni kí n fún ẹ? Kíni kí n fún ẹ? What should I give you? Kíni kí n fún ẹ? Now, let's use tani. Tani simply means who. Now, let's use it in sentence. Tani o fẹ́ rí? Tani o fẹ́ rí? Meaning, who do you want to see? Tani o fẹ́ rí? Who do you want to see? Ta ni ẹ́? Ta ni ẹ́? meaning who are you? Ta ni ẹ́? Who are you? And that sentence using ta ni. Ta ni, ta ni yẹn. You can say ta ni yẹn, meaning who is that? Ta ni yẹn. Ta ni yẹn. Who is that? Ta ló wà níbẹ̀? Ta ló wà níbẹ̀? Or you can say ta ló wà níbẹ̀ yẹn? Ta ló wà níbẹ̀ yẹn, meaning who is there? Who is there? Ta ló wà níbẹ̀? Or ta ló wà níbẹ̀ yẹn? Ta ni ẹ̀ ń wá? Ta ni ẹ̀ ń wá? Who are you looking for? Ta ni ẹ̀ ń wá? Supposing you are speaking on phone, ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? Ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? Meaning, who am I speaking with? Ta ni mò ń bá sọ̀rọ̀? Who am I speaking with? My name is Yetunde Adebayo. Thank you for your time. You want to learn this Yoruba language further? You can reach out to me here. Thank you very much for your time. See you again in the next class. Ó dàbọ̀.